Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best popcorn salt is probably one of the most transformative seasonings you can add to your popcorn, elevating a simple snack into a gourmet experience. From subtle enhancements to bold flavor explosions, the right popcorn salt can completely change the way you enjoy this classic treat, impacting everything from the initial crunch to the lingering taste. Today, we're diving deep into the world of popcorn salts to discover which ones truly reign supreme, exploring various flavors, textures, and overall quality to help you find the perfect match for your palate. Number 5. Amish Country Ballpark ButterSalt. Get ready for a taste sensation. This popcorn salt delivers the classic ballpark buttery flavor you crave, in every delicious kernel. With 6 ounces of this amazing salt, you'll have plenty to enjoy. It's the perfect amount for movie nights, game days, or any occasion. It's made with non-GMO ingredients and is certified gluten-free, so you can indulge without worry. Enjoy the taste, knowing it's good for you. It's surprisingly low in calories, making it a guilt-free snack. Enjoy this healthy and delicious treat anytime. This popcorn salt is tree nut and peanut free, making it a safe and enjoyable snack for everyone. Share the deliciousness with friends and family. What we like? It tastes just like the ballpark. If you are looking for a healthy and delicious popcorn seasoning that is also non-GMO and gluten-free, then you should definitely consider this. It's low-calorie and perfect for those with dietary restrictions, offering a guilt-free movie night snack. What people say. It's the perfect balance of buttery richness and just the right amount of salt, reminiscent of the popcorn you'd get at a ballgame. It doesn't overpower the popcorn but enhances it, giving each kernel that perfect savory kick. The quality of the salt is very fine, so it distributes well without being too heavy, and a little goes a long way. The flavor is the perfect amount of saltiness and makes even basic bags of popcorn taste like you're at the ballpark. Number 4. Snappy Theater Popcorn Salt. It's the perfect blend of buttery flavor and a hint of salt. This will take your popcorn to the next level. Sprinkle it on warm, freshly popped popcorn for an amazing taste experience. It's so easy to use. It has unsurpassed moisture resistance, ensuring excellent adherence and even coverage on every kernel. No more uneven seasoning. With its convenient sifting lid, it's easy to sprinkle on your favorite foods. No recipes needed, just sprinkle and enjoy. We use riboflavin for color instead of yellow. Number 5, creating a high-quality, low-fat seasoning. Enjoy the delicious flavor without the artificial coloring. With 19 ounces of this delicious popcorn salt, you'll have plenty to enjoy for movie nights and more. Get yours today. What we like? This one provides unsurpassed moisture resistance for even coverage. If you need a popcorn salt that delivers amazing flavor and adheres perfectly to every kernel, this is the one for you. The convenient sifting lid makes sprinkling easy, perfect for a quick and delicious snack. What people say. Makes popcorn taste so much better. A little goes a long way, so go easy till you find the right amount for your liking. Sometimes I'll add it before and sometimes after. Depends on how I'm making the popcorn. It works either way. It is very fine granules and has a buttery taste, but a little goes a long way. It's an excellent popcorn salt with a hint of movie theater butter flavor to it. I pair it with a butter-flavored olive oil sprayed on, and it's absolutely delicious. Number 3. Amish Country Ballpark ButterSalt. Get ready for a taste of the ballpark. This popcorn is bursting with buttery goodness and is perfect for any occasion. With 4.5 ounces of deliciousness in every jar, it's the perfect snack to share with family and friends. It's made with non-GMO ingredients and is certified gluten-free, so you can enjoy it without worry. It's a delicious and guilt-free snack that's low in calories and packed with flavor. Made in a facility that's free of tree nuts and peanuts, so everyone can enjoy it without worry. Whether you're at the ballpark, at home, or on the go, it's the perfect snack for any time. What we like? Another great buttery option. If you love that classic ballpark flavor and need a smaller size, this is perfect. It's non-GMO and gluten-free, ensuring a healthy and delicious snack for everyone. What people say. Perfect flavor, perfect stickiness to popcorn. Super fine salt, so a little goes a very long way. Arrives in a shaker-type dispenser, well sealed with overwrap and safety seal. Has a nice buttery flavor with no aftertaste. The salt is very fine texture, a little goes a long way. Very fresh. I love the little shaker jar the salt comes in. The jar is secure with a tight seal, which I appreciate. Number 2. Pop and Dulge Movie Night Popcorn Kit. Transform your living room into a cozy cinema with this amazing popcorn kit. It's the perfect way to enjoy a movie night with family and friends. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with 5 gourmet popcorn seasonings. From classic salted butter to fiery hot pepper, there's a flavor for everyone. This isn't just popcorn, it's an experience. Enjoy 3 unique kernel colors, golden, blue, and ruby, adding a festive touch to your movie night. Looking for a unique and delicious gift? This popcorn kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a guaranteed crowd pleaser. We use only the highest quality, all-natural, non-GMO ingredients. Enjoy guilt-free snacking with this delicious and healthy treat. It's easy to make delicious movie popcorn with this kit. Simply pop the kernels, add your favorite seasoning, and enjoy. What we like? It's the ultimate movie night popcorn kit. If you're looking for a fun and delicious gift, or want to elevate your movie night experience, this variety pack is a must-have. It includes gourmet popcorn kernels and a range of flavorful seasonings for a truly special treat. What people say? Each pack is perfect for 1 to 2 people. Sufficient flavoring in each packet. Cooked in my popcorn machine. Did not have a lot of kernels left in the bottom. The box comes with instructions to make the popcorn in the microwave or on the stove. It also comes with popcorn bags, and I love the variety of options they offer. First time ordering popcorn through Amazon, I definitely would order this type again. It was not only fresh and great taste, there was a great selection of different spices and kinds of popcorn. Number 1. Baker's Club 9-ounce salt and vinegar. It's the perfect blend of salt and vinegar, bringing a burst of flavor to all your favorite snacks and dishes. Get ready for a taste sensation. This seasoning elevates everything from fries and wings to popcorn and veggies. It's the simple addition that makes all the difference. Using advanced fermentation techniques, we capture the pure essence of vinegar in a convenient dry form. Combined with Mediterranean sea salt for unparalleled freshness. Each batch is carefully crafted and personally taste tested to ensure the highest quality and freshest flavor. You can taste the care in every sprinkle. We offer double the amount compared to other brands, providing exceptional value and a symphony of flavors at an unbeatable price. It's gluten-free, non-GMO, and kosher certified, made with care in the USA. Enjoy the deliciousness with confidence. What we like? A burst of lip-smacking flavor. If you enjoy a bold and zesty flavor, this salt and vinegar seasoning is a game-changer. The large size offers incredible value, perfect for frequent use and sharing with friends. What people say? Great taste for a good price. Nice texture. I put some on some goldfish crackers and it was everything I hoped for. Passes the smell test, but not the taste test. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.